Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then scroll to the sounds and vibrations section. Here, as can you see, we got the volume panel. Just to unmute your ringtone, swipe with your finger here to the right side, and that's it. Also, you can make it by the second way. Here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. Just press the up volume button, and by this way you can also enable your ringtone or unmute. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.